How to add an item to your bag on the Iconic. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add an item to your bag on the Iconic. So if you want to know how to do this, ensure you watch this video to the end. The first step is to log in into Iconic account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, the next step is to browse the site and then find the products that you'd like to purchase. If you want dresses, if you want different kind of categories of product. For me, I'll be going for accessories. All right. Other accessories, I would be selecting jewelry. Okay. So after selecting jewelry, you'll be taken to the jewelry's website or the jewelry's page where you'll see different kind of product. Now on this page, by the left side of the screen, you can see a filter. Yeah, you can filter the kind of product you want, the exact kind of product you want, the brand, the color, whatever. And then once you've seen the one you want, just go ahead and click on it, just like I have done here. And after clicking on it, you'll be taken to the page where you'll see details about the product. By the right side, you can see an instruction which says this product cannot be returned or exchanged or less faulting. And then you can see other things. And then once you can see this, you can see the option add to bag. All right, so just click on it that way, and then just like that, the products will be added to your bag. And then to view the items, okay, to view the items that you've added to your bag, you can just go back to the top part of the screen, the top right side of the screen to be precise, where you can see your profile icon, the favorite icon, and then your bag. And then by the time you click on the shopping bag, you will see all of the products that you've added, including the ones that are just being recently added. Okay, you can see it here. So this is how it works. This is how you can add items to your bag on the Iconic. Very, very simple, and sure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.